Hi, Kay here from Teach Your Monster with another tutorial on how to transfer players to the next teacher on the web. At the end of the school year, you can transfer one or more players to another class teacher as long as they have an account. To transfer players to a different class teacher, go to Players and Groups and click Transfer Players from the Actions drop-down menu. You can select which players you want to transfer. You can select all players of one group, or a few players individually. Here I'm going to transfer the green monsters. So I select the green monsters, click Next, and then I enter the email address of the next class teacher. Then we click Transfer Players and click Confirm. It will tell you that those players have been transferred successfully. And that is how you transfer players to a new class.